Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside this bag. Okay, I see a cross stitch kit. Oops. And a tool. All right. So, this bag comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials, any coupons, or if I have any discount codes, it'll go right in here and in the description box below. So, let's start with what is on top here. I saved my scissors. So, I got one of these before, but I don't remember which one. Yeah, that's kind of the problem. But, oh, for pity's sake. Seriously. Just gonna cut it. It's another one of those heavier metal, I don't know if you call it refrigerator magnet or needle minder. I'm assuming that you could use it for both. And this is, holy cow, that was just really stuck on there. But it does have a full magnet, so you could use it, you know, as a refrigerator magnet. But it's really, really heavy. And it was $3.99. I think they're on sale right now. So they have several to choose from, but I got the two pandas eating bamboo in the flowers. So yeah, I just think they're cute. They are heavy. It worked really great on my big one. And you can use, I just have one that just happens to be loose, a bigger magnet to hold it onto your cloth, or just put it on your, hold it, cow, can't even hang on to it. Onto your refrigerator or whatever you'd like to do with it. But yeah, I just think they're cute. So just kind of started collecting them. Alright, let me set that someplace where it's not going to get lost. And we do have a cross stitch today, so let's get this out of the bag. It is a spring kit, and it's 50 by 63. It's $15.79. And it's called 10 Miles of Peach Blossom. And I think that there are other ones in this series. It does come in the lovely spring bag. Very durable. So you can use it afterward. Let me flip it over. Oh, and get it going in the right direction. And I'm not sure. This is 11 count. So I think it's cotton. It just feels like Egyptian cotton for some reason. And it is in the green. So it may well be. If it is, I will put word in here saying it is Egyptian cotton, or leave it in the description below. But it's like a branch of peach blossoms. Yep, peach blossoms. I can't read my own writing some days. It is 196 by 232. It is a partial. We even have koi down here in a little pool of water down there. So it's not too much going on here. And I didn't expect the what do you call it, the color palette to be extensive. So there's only 12 colors in this. There's only one set of symbols. These all match this paper pattern, and there is full stitch and half stitch and no back stitching. So just kind of a colorful thing. I just thought it was different. I'd just never seen anything quite like that. I have another one, but the blossoms kind of come around this way. It looks like there's like a panel. I don't know if you remember that. I don't know where it's at right now, but there's a panel behind it, and there's like a sparrow or a black bird of some kind. Could be a magpie, not real sure, but it's kind of in flight. Maybe one or two of them. So, yeah. But very well printed, very easy to see. And there's only 2 colors in the half cross stitch. There's no mixed stitch in this, so awesome sauce. Let's look at these colors. Lots of pinks, of course, and brown. You got 4 shades of green in there, plus 2 needles. So very nice. Just sounded easy, you know? Some days you just need easy. And it does come with a bag with 4 skeins of extra thread. And it does have, so number 12 would match. Why does it say that? Oh, okay. Number 12, so it's the same color as this. But God, I swear that's Egyptian cotton. It's got that feel to it. Let me pull something, and I will know immediately. Yep, it's Egyptian cotton. I can tell you that right now. See if it curls like that when you pull it out. It's Egyptian cotton. This had kind of a, I don't want to call it a dry, kind of barely stiff, if that makes any kind of sense. So you can tell the Egyptian cotton from regular cotton. We're just going to put that puppy, maybe. See, it's all curled up now. Let me put that back on there because we may need that. But very nice. And they give you extra just in case you need it. Like I said, it is 11 count. So I don't have many 11 count Egyptian cotton. And I made no side note as to the fact that it was Egyptian or not. But yeah, I can always tell when I pull a thread. Let's take a look at this canvas. It's kind of stiffery. Oh, goodness gracious me, oh my, oh. Hang on. We have an avalanche. I've got to move my Coke because, you know. But very well printed. Nice big key. Serged all the way around except on this side. And it does have a salvage edge there. Now it says Anne Gles. I don't know if that's the person that made, you know, did the, you know, made the design, or if that's something else. I'm not real sure. But it's very nice. Alright, 52.5 centimeters, or almost 20 3/4 inches. And this way it is approximately 64.5 centimeters, or 25.5. The actual picture size is 45 centimeters, or 17 3/4 inches by, we're trying, oh, we're going to call it at 55.5 centimeters, or 21 3/4 inches. But it is it's big, but it is a partial. Does have some bigger areas, but for the most part, it's cut and dry. So I'm not sure. I think so. This part, hang on, I gotta let go of that for 2 seconds. This yellow right here is half cross stitch, so it's kind of a shadow, giving the picture a little depth. See, right here, and all this right here, possibly this pool of water. So not a difficult pattern. This would be a great pattern for a beginner. And I think it's nice. Very well printed. I'm going to show you here. Just got to get it from being so wide here. But nice, big, easy to see symbols. Very nice. Good job, Spring. Let me get that folded back up the proper way, and then maybe it'll just sit there. But yeah, I'm always impressed with their canvases. They're always nice and easy to see symbols, and you know, everything put together well. Colors, shading. So yeah, it'll be different, huh? So that is all that I got from DPClubs. Now they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have a nice wide selection. Thank you, DPClubs, for sending me this beautiful kit and my lovely little needle minder. It's not so little. It's kind of heavy, not gonna lie. Probably a good quarter of a pound, maybe even a little more. But yeah, I just love these. They're so pretty. And they've got some now that are musical instruments, like, or we'll call them Asian musical instruments. So there's several of those. So do check them out. And they always have wide selection, great prices, great sales. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.